As all of you know, this machine allows you to connect a USB flash drive and use the embroidery design stored on it to stitch onto fabric. However, sometimes when you insert a new USB flash drive, the machine shows the error message, USB flash drive cannot be used. If your machine is also showing this error, the first thing you need to do is connect your USB flash drive to a computer. As soon as you plug it into the computer, the USB flash drive will appear on the screen. As you can see on your screen, it will look like this. Right click on the USB flash drive and select Format. Here you need to select the file system as FAT32. By default, NTFS is usually selected. You need to change it to FAT32 and then click Start. This will format your USB flash drive. After the formatting is complete, right click on the USB flash drive icon again and open Properties to check whether the file system has been changed to FAT32. As you can see here, it is now FAT32. Next, open the USB flash drive. First, create a folder named EMB. As you can see in the video, after that open the EMB folder. Now create another new folder inside it. Name this folder EMBF. As you can see in the video, inside the EMBF folder, copy all of your embroidery designs. Here we are copying the folder that contains the designs. As you can see, we have copied the entire design folder into the EMBF folder. Now insert the USB flash drive into the machine again. This time the error will not appear. You will see all the folders that you copied onto the USB flash drive. You can open those folders and view or select any of your embroidery designs. This is how you can fix the USB flash drive error on this machine. If you need any other information related to this machine, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below.